How to redeem Whataburger promo code. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and on the search bar, search for Whataburger promo code. Now you're going to find different websites that is going to offer you the promo codes. You simply want to click on any of the reliable websites. Once you have clicked on the website, you're going to find different promo code or coupon codes over here. You simply want to scroll down and find the deal which is best for you. Once you have found it, simply click on the Get Offer option. Now you're going to find all the details about this offer. Now on this deal, if you have a promo code, you can simply copy it. However, for some deals, there is no need for a code and you can directly get this deal. For that, you can click on the Go to Whataburger website. Once you click on this option, the Whataburger website is going to open up. On this page, you first have to log into your account. So click on the sign in option and then enter your email address. Then enter your password and click on the sign in option. If you do not have an account, you will have to create a new one. Now browse through the menu and select the items you want to order. Then add them to your cart. Once you have all the items you want, you can proceed to check out. While checking out, you want to click on the option of promo code and then enter the promo code that you have copied. In case of the deals that does not have a promo code, it is automatically going to be added here if you fulfill all the criteria. Once the discount has been applied, check to ensure that the discount associated with the promo code has been applied to your order total. If the discount looks correct, you can proceed to complete your order by providing any necessary payment and delivery information. And this is how you can redeem Whataburger promo code. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.